we are now going to learn how to change a brief. And this is a brief. They're adult diapers, but we don't call them diapers. We call them briefs or incontinent pads. They're very big, aren't they? The beauty about these briefs is they have a yellow line here, and when they're wet, they turn blue. So, you know when they're ready to change. You can just look at them rather than feeling. Most of patients in the nursing homes are going to be up and about, and they'll be wearing the pull-up kind of briefs. And so you'll go into the bathroom and just help them change the brief in the bathroom. There are bars in the bathroom. You'll take the clean briefs. You'll take wipes with you. If you need a washcloth and soap, you'll take that with you, and you can just do the pull-up briefs in the bathroom. But I'm going to show you how to change a brief while the patient's in bed. So Mrs. DeBurke, I've already taken off the old brief, and now I'm going to put on a new brief. So you take your brief, and I like to fold the tab back, or the flat back. The little tabs you want at the top, guys. Sometimes the guys don't know this. And we're going to roll our patient over to the side. Now, we had some students go to their clinical to change their brief, and they had not paid attention in the brief changing class. And so they went into the room, and each student went on either side of the bed, and they lifted up the patient's legs. And they're trying to change her brief, and the little patient says, "They don't usually do it this way." And so our student said, "How do they usually change it?" And so the patient said, "They roll me back and forth." So I'm going to show you how to do this, rolling the patient back and forth. So we have the brief all ready to go, and I'm going to roll Mrs. DeBurke over on her side, and I'm going to place the brief right underneath her. And you want to make sure that the brief is going to go all the way around, so just check it at this point. If you get it too far behind, it'll be crooked when you're all finished. So make sure it's going to fit right. And then you just roll her a little back toward you, and back on her back. And then we'll just take the brief, and we'll just do up the tabs. And there we go. We're all set. All right. Now, I'm going to show you how to change the brief. So to change the brief, you want to have all your supplies. We're going to have our wipes, soap, washcloth, and towel if we need them. And I'm going to start on the side furthest away from me. And I'm going to just go ahead and just kind of clean as you go. So I'm going to roll her toward me, tuck it under, and then I'll just clean as I go. And I'm going to roll her back. Back she goes. Roll it in place. And then the brief is going to go right into the garbage can. But when you leave the room, you want to make sure you take the liner out with you. If it stinks in the room, it's our fault because we've left dirty briefs in the room. So that is brief changing.